So now one more thing still in this same line of code. Let's examine that .keys final piece a little bit more. The .keys open and close parentheses method is a powerful dictionary function that extracts all the key names from your dictionary. It gives you access to the categories, labels, or identifiers in your data structure. When we call self.dimensional_forms.keys open and close parentheses, it retrieves all the 4D geometric form names from our dictionary: tesseract, hypersphere, so on. These keys represent the categories of 4D entities our simulator can generate. The .keys method is incredibly useful for getting all available options from organized data, iterating through dictionary categories, extracting identifiers for processing, and building selection systems like our random entity generator. And .keys reveals the structure of our data. It shows us all those possible 4D geometric forms that we've defined. And that gives our random selection system access to every entity type, ensuring our simulation can generate the full variety of 4D mathematical objects as it's going through it. So it's great because it automatically adapts to your dictionary. It's dynamic. We're not hard coding anything with that. If we add more 4D shapes to our database, .keys is still going to include them all without any code changes. That makes our random selection system expandable and, like I said, dynamic.